This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, nakasisiguro gamot ay laging bago.
Ngayong umaga sa Generation RX Plus. It's one of those diseases that made headlines around the world, and it's a serious illness that deserves attention. Find out more about the Merscov, or Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, in our Ask the Experts. Renowned Filipino-American MMA and Muay Thai fighter Vincent Soberano is back for more and shares his story about his use of the Malunggay Life Oil in Secrets of Your Sport Hero. And witness a gym like no other at the heart of a wellness center. Find out more about the gym of the Fit Fast Wellness Center in My Sports Hub. All these and more on Generation RX Plus.
This disease has been in the headlines for quite some time. As a matter of fact, it has caused quite a stir. It is also one of the few illnesses closely monitored all over the world. And I'm talking about no other than MERSCov, or the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome covalent virus. Good morning, this is your host, Dr. Cecil Katapang, and let's come face to face with MERSCov here at Generation RX Plus.
So, yung MERCOV isa siyang virus, no, na it causes a respiratory infection, so it affects our lungs. Bago siyang virus, no, nag-start siya noong 2012 lang, so just 2 years ago, na-discover siya sa Saudi Arabia. Doon yung first case ng MERS, o kaya MERCOV na tinatawag. Tapos since then, medyo kumalat na siya. So, dahil respiratory illness siya, so dahil sakit siya ng baga, nasa-spread siya through close contact with other people. So, for example, usually yung mga healthcare workers yung mga at risk, merong may sakit na tao na merong MERCOV or MERS infection, pwedeng makuha ng healthcare worker because of repeated exposure. So, through respiratory secretions, so usually cough o ubo, fever or lagnat, tapos hirap sa paghinga or difficulty breathing. Yun yung main symptoms. But sometimes people also develop nausea, so parang nagsusuka sila, o kaya minsan may diarrhea din, so nagtatae. So yun medyo hindi na yun masyadong common. We don't know exactly where it came from, no? We have a few educated guesses. Some say it came from a camel, no? Yung iba naman pwedeng sa bat from Saudi Arabia. So they're still trying to study where it came from exactly, but those are their hypotheses right now. In the past 2 years, the ones who are most commonly affected are those that are elderly, so yung medyo may edad, no? Yung mga meron ng ibang sakit tulad ng diabetes, o kaya high blood pressure, o kaya yung mga nagka-stroke na or may sakit sa puso. So far, yun yung mga mas naapektuhan. There's no cure for this illness at this time, pero yung treatment is supportive. So, ibig sabihin ng supportive treatment is, for example, someone presents with difficulty breathing or nahirapan siya huminga, bibigyan natin ng oxygen, no? Parang supplemental oxygen. Kung may ubo, bibigyan natin ng gamot para makatulong sa ubo, kaya kung may lagnat or fever, bibigyan natin ng gamot for the fever. So parang gano'n lang, just support kung ano yung symptom ng pasyente. Yung MERS, it can be a very serious infection, no? So pwedeng mamatay from this infection. Actually, out of the 500 people who have gotten the disease, about 1/3 who've had serious illness have already passed away. So it's very serious. So, mga 30% yung mortality niya. So kailangan talaga habang maaga pa may sintomas, ganyan, o kaya nag-travel sa mga areas na may MERCOV, kailangan talagang inform kaagad yung physicians. Usually naman po, within 14 days of travel or 14 days of exposure ka magkakasintomas. So, MERCOV is a respiratory infection that's found in Saudi Arabia and the Arabian Peninsula. So, as advice for all people who are traveling, I would suggest you see your physician before you travel. And if you ever develop symptoms of cough or colds within 14 days of travel to the Arabian Peninsula or close by countries, then you also should inform your physician right away.
Proper knowledge is key to to prevent getting infected by the Merscov. I would like to thank Metathion for my whitening care, Evening Primrose Oil with Fish Oil, my midlife partner, Malunggay Life Oil for giving me the pure power of Mother Nature, Color Collection Cosmetics for my makeup, and Make Me Blush for my hair color. We here at Generation RX remind you to live well so you can play well.